Good morning, everybody. Mike Vaki, Princetontrader.com, here for ntmarkets.com with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart of the ES. And for those of you that listened to my interview yesterday on the Traders Network radio show, and if you missed it, there's a copy of that up on the Princetontrader.com website. We talked about how the prior day low getting taken out can start the process of rolling over the daily chart during the course of a band ride, which is what we're on here. Now, that doesn't mean you have an instantaneous drop. It is not a trap door that opens up and price follows through and everybody that's been stuck short, it becomes Christmas morning. It just doesn't work that way. But what we are seeing now is 3 days now where the bulls have been unable to touch the upper band. The upper band is way up at 1932.81, so effectively 1933 if you're going to try to hit it to 33 quarter. We're currently trading 1919 quarter. We have traded as low as 17 quarter in the overnight. So you can see that the middle band is starting to put some distance between itself and price. If the bears can push below 16, which was yesterday's intraday low, then what you want to see is have it take out the low of the last 4 days, which is 1913.75. If the 1913.75 level can get confirmed today as resistance, then the move to 1900 that I've been looking for this week should go ahead and play out. What the bears are going to have to overcome is the fact that at some point between 9:30 and 11 o'clock this morning, we're going to dip. The buyers are going to come in, they're going to buy that dip, they're going to take it higher. What the bears have to do is create a lower high and then make a lower low and start to stair-step things down versus what's been happening, which is buying the dip and stair-stepping things up during the course of the day. That's how this plays out on the daily chart. Lows are rejected, lows are rejected. I mean, and it goes on and on. It just grinds up throughout the day, and you end up closing at or near the highs, which is what happened yesterday. So the morning dip will be bought. It's the bear's job to turn that into a lower high and then repeat that process a couple times during the course of the day in order to change the dynamic. The bears have to change the dynamic. The market dynamic right now is buy the morning dip and walk it up. The bears have to change that dynamic to dip buys aren't working, I'm going to step aside and wait and get a better price. When that happens, this market will reverse. And until that happens, we will continue to do the same things that we have been doing, which is walking things up. So is the morning dip a buy today? Yes, absolutely. You can't just wake up this morning and assume that the bears are going to finally find their car keys because they haven't done it in the last 10 days, right? So it's a much better risk-reward trade to buy that morning dip and then, set a stop. And if you get taken out, you get taken out. And understand that if on a lower high, buying the morning dip and having it go up 3 or 4 handles, if it rejects into price, if it fails there, and if you want to be short and see if this is the time that we get a lower low, then you can flip the trade. But at least initially on a morning dip, if you're a day trader, you need to be a buyer because that's what's been working. And you do what's working until it stops working. Okay, everybody have a great day. I will be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website. Come check out the chat room. Come take a free trial. Come trade with us. It's a lot of fun, and there's a lot of good information in there. And if you do this stuff every day, I have every confidence that we can help you out. Check out my interview yesterday on Traders Network. It's up on the website. It's about 10 minutes long, and it gets into a lot more detail than this. And, for those of you that are new, welcome. We do these every morning, and I will be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade 'em well.